Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are going to make crochet rib stitch, and it's one of my favorite crochet stitch as I use this stitch for so many things, for borders, for necklines, for caps, and I even have made a cardigan by using this crochet stitch. So let's get started. Pay attention to each and every detail. So we are starting with the slip knot. It's also called magic circle and magic loop, and I'm going to make 10 chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now in the second chain I'll be making crochet half double stitch, half double crochet. Okay, so it's going to be one row of crochet half double stitch, half double crochet I mean. And if you don't know how to make half double crochet, I have already uploaded a workshop where I have shared how to make crochet, how to make a slip knot or a magic circle and basic chain, single crochet, double crochet, and half double crochet. So basically that workshop is for absolute beginners, and if you don't know how to crochet or you are someone who is learning to crochet from scratch, that workshop is for you. Now for the second row, starting with the one chain and then yarn over, and now you can see that we have a chain and we have loops, back loops. Okay, these are the back loops, and to make rib stitch, back loops are the working loops. We are going to make half double crochet in back loops like this. Pull the yarn, and now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over from all 3 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop, pull the yarn and yarn over from 3 loops. So basically we are making half double crochet but in the back loops. You can see that we have very nice chain at the front side, and we are making half double crochet in the back loops. It's very easy. Crochet rib stitch is one of the easiest crochet stitch or crochet design or pattern, but it's very stylish and it's very versatile. I always enjoy to make projects with crochet rib stitch. So this is the last chain, and yeah, second row is done. See, we have chain here and we have the second row done. Again for the third row we are going to do the same thing, starting with chain 1 and making half double crochet in back loops to complete the row. Okay, so we have completed our third row and it's looking like this. It's very easy to make, so I'll be back after making 2-3 more rows, so I'll show you how it will look when we have more of it. It's done and it's looking really nice. The good thing about crochet rib stitch is that it's very stretchy, and I really love beanies which I make with crochet rib stitch. Anyway, stay tuned to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting next tutorial, and that project I'm making with the crochet rib stitch. That's why I made a detailed tutorial on this stitch. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and the next video also. You will love it. See you in the next video.